Christmas stuff, yeah. We're gonna be putting a bunch of Christmas stuff in some clear slime. We haven't done the clear slime video in a while, so we're gonna do it today. And yeah, let's just straight on into the video. Yo! But also guys, before you skip the video, don't skip the video. I have a very giant announcement. Like, it is huge. It's not Slimeatory 500 because that's really big too, but this one is super big too. It is crazy. I really hope you guys like it. We've been working on it for a while on this project. But anyways, I'm not gonna be telling you guys just yet, just to kind of give it a little bit of spice, make it a little bit of fun. I will be telling you guys in the future videos. It'll be very soon, trust me. But in this video, I will be putting out, I'm just gonna be saying some random clues, so make sure you just keep on watching for me to say a clue, and then you guys can try and put this together and comment it down below. So yeah, all right, let's go. All right guys, here's the first one. Here is the clear slime. By the way, today we're using Color Splash clear glue. I have not used this in so long, and I have a bunch of gallons of it, and I wanted to try it out again, so we're using Color Splash clear glue. It's pretty nice. I like it. All right guys, first we're gonna do these thingamajiggers. These are little gingerbread man cookies. I know it's food, but you know, sometimes it looks satisfying when it's food. I'm not talking about like a whole, don't mix in a whole turkey, you know, don't mix in like a whole watermelon, or I don't know, just something very big. I just like mixing little small things in there, like candies. Alrighty guys, I got the gingerbread man. Hey guys, you know what's fun? Apps are fun. That was just like a random thought, guys. Oh my god! No, not the buttons! Oh my god! Oh gosh. I'm just gonna do this in pieces, I guess. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. I don't even know how to put this back together. Gingerbread man. Poor Gingy. Okay, this is not staying together. Alright, we're just gonna try attempt to, oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's fix this guy and see what happens. Alright, nothing really is happening. I mean, it just kind of mixed, and that's really all there is to it. I mean, I could try and like smash it in. Now let's mix. Well, was that satisfying or not, guys? Well, I don't think that was satisfying, guys. I don't think it was very satisfying. Alright guys, well that is it for this one. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, next thing I do is little miniature candy canes. I wanted to see if these would like turn into like a fishbowl almost, you know? Oh, this one is broken. Oh my gosh, they're all broken. 1 second, guys. Okay, anyways, I got some new ones. So I wanted to see if this would turn into like some type of fishbowl slime, or just if it was satisfying. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. What did I make? I think it's like this actually. Gosh, they keep breaking. I'm so mad. I'm just gonna get a new one. Not open it harshly, I guess. They break so easily, guys. Alrighty, we'll put that one right there. And ta-da! Alright, let's put it together. Ooh, it sounds cool. You know what? This isn't too bad, other than the fact that these are kind of like slipping out of the slime, but that's it. Like, it actually looks so cool. Well, they're just completely coming out. It's not even melting the slime that much. Alright, well, I guess that's it. It didn't really stay in. Here's the after product though. Pretty cool though. It kind of like dyed the slime, so if you have some slime, you could dye it with candy canes apparently. Just hopefully it won't rot. It doesn't smell too good though. Alright, we're gonna try again one more time and see if it works. Yeah, it doesn't. But it sounds super cool when they're like actually in there, just like kind of being candy canes, but yeah. Alright guys, well I guess that is it for this one. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, next we're gonna do these little gummy things. This is like a little, it's a gummy Krabby Patty tree type deal. It's very weird, but we're gonna try it out. Alright, here it is, guys. It's a little weird Krabby Patty thing. So let's just go ahead and mix it. I thought it would be pretty cool to put it in here. It might look like a bunch of charms or something. So let's just try and scoot that off onto there. Oh my gosh. It went, wait, are you serious? It went everywhere. Okay, we're gonna have to try and put this back together. Hopefully we can. Like, I have absolutely no idea how to do this. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna try, and we're not gonna fail. There, that looks like it, right? All right, let's go ahead and mix it. And let's see how it looks. Ooh, this looks so cool. All right, well, that did not turn out good at all. Well, actually, it did, okay? It's just that the little sugar on this candy actually, like, it kind of just, like, makes everything slippery. But, like, if it actually stayed in there, it would look so cool. Like, look at how cool that looks. Like, it's like a cool little candy slime. Well, that is it for this one, I guess. Let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, next we're gonna do these bells right here. I just really wanted to do bells. I thought it'd be cool, so yeah. All right, let's mix those into there and see what happens. Oh, wow, that sounds so cool, guys. Oh my gosh, this is actually working so well. Oh, that's not making too much noise, is that? Okay, this is actually so satisfying. Out of everything, I didn't expect these to actually stay in the slime. Like, what? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, well, that is very interesting. I like this a lot. This is gonna be my favorite from all of my fails. And this is amazing. Although it doesn't jingle, it would just be so amazing if it would jingle, but it doesn't. This is actually so satisfying. Should I like dye it green, guys? I think I should dye it green. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dye it green because I feel like it like will look cool. Hopefully I can mix it. All right, guys, here it is, the final slime. I think it looks fantastic. This is like my favorite. Like this, it looks so cool. Like the bells stick in there so well. It is amazing. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. Like my Josh, if you have more than 3 games on your phone, make sure you press that like button at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, all right, let's keep going. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is they're Christmas M&Ms. I really wanted to try this out. So yeah, wait, they're chocolate lentils, guys. What the heck? Chocolate lentils? Yummy. Alrighty, let's mix it. You know what, I think we need to put more. Oh wow, these are melting very quickly. Oh my gosh, but it looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at how cool that looks. Okay, this looked so cool. Like amazing. I just wish that they would have stayed in there. These are a bunch of bald M&Ms now. All right, well, that is what happened. I think it looked super cool in the beginning, like when I was first mixing it, but then it kind of like melted. But like even when it was melting, it looked super cool. But anyways, here is the finished product. It's just kind of like a chocolate slime now. It looks cool. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good, guys. Next thing I'll do, guys, is these little pom-poms, Christmas pom-poms. You know, these are just regular pom-poms, but they're Christmas pom-poms. So I'm going to put it because putting pom-poms in slime is so satisfying, guys. This is my Christmas pom-pom slime. All right, let's do it. I think I put all of them, I think. I love how crackly pom-pom slimes are. Ready? Here it is, guys. Okay, this one, I feel like this one's the best one. Like, look at it. It is amazing, guys. Like, it looks so cool. It's stretchy, it's crunchy, and it is actual slime, you know? You can actually play with it. And it's super squishy. It's fun to squish since it's like already squishy, you know? I was trying to crackle these because these are super crackly. Oh, yes. Okay, this is so nice. I love this slime. I'm going to keep it forever. It is amazing, guys. Like, oh my gosh. I feel like the small little like pom-poms look like cooler though, like because they kind of look like foam beads. So yeah. Okay, this is definitely my favorite, guys. All right, guys. Next thing I'm gonna put are these little Christmas ornaments. They're like miniature Christmas ornaments, and I wanted to put it in here, and it looks pretty cool. So let's do it. They don't come out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm just trying to. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. I made another hole. It should come out nicer. There we go. There. Let's see. Let's do this. All right. Looking good. Okay, well this looks super cool so far. I really am enjoying it, but I still love my little pom-pom one better. But like, this is also still really cool. Okay, I'm gonna take these 3 out right here because I feel like they don't fit in very well. Let's keep on mixing the others. You guys, you know what's funny is that these things look bigger. Like when they're wrapped in the slime, it kind of like magnifies it. Like look at, watch. So here is one without slime. Here is one with slime. It looks bigger, right? Now we take the slime off. Same thing, same size. All right, well, the pom-pom is still my favorite, and then after that would be the bells ones, and then it would be this one. It's really cool. I wish there was like a bit smaller ornament, and it would be amazing, guys. It would be amazing. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you guys comment down below what you think the surprise me announcement is, and that's all. So much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.